name is Abel Grey Cantoma. Today let's take a little walk on the Prota Steel of 2025 Prota structure. Let's see how the interface look like. This is just a sample file from Prota structure itself. I'm not the one who modeled this. This is from Prota structure. It came with the software. Right, so I have loaded it on Prota Steel. So we have the model here, so you can see basically how the interface looks like. You can see it's entirely different from that of 2022. So but they share similar interface with the 2024 version actually. So let's just create our connection and see. Okay, everything is done. So you can see our pull line connection has been created. Similarly, while it's still highlighted, I can do that of our cards. Here you can see the GAT connection. Okay, we have sag rod. I didn't check, but okay, I don't think there's sag rod. I don't think there's own sag rod here. We do not have sag rod, so we don't have the concrete. We don't have the base for this, where we have like a concrete that is carrying this steel, this tension. So I'm just going to skip that part. But we have brace connection, so I can brace. We have brace, so we can introduce a brace connection. We have crate truss connection, crate floor beam connection. Next one. One of my very good observation of Prota structure 2025 is that there are no box on, no much box, no box so far that I have noticed in the 2025 version. So similarly to 2024 as well. So they have really done a great job. A lot of improvement. ProtaStructure is really working hard on their software. So we can have column slash beam connection. Definitely, let me just run this. Okay. 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 So we are here. All right. So you can see how the Prota Steel 2025 looks like. The interface is different from the 2022 version that you are very familiar with. But if you are already using 2024, I'm sure you are already familiar with this interface already. So they share a lot of similar informations here. So there have been features that have been added on the 2025. Like I promised, I'm going to be showing you extensively some of the key features that have been added into your ProtaStructure 2025. So if you already like this video, make sure that you just like the video by giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, is actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. Post videos like this on a weekly, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Make sure that you stay safe and stay blessed.